Good morning, students. I hope you are all fine. And today I am taking you to the mini world of yoga. So, during this COVID-19 pandemic, you must stay healthy. So, for that, strong immunity power is very essential for our body. So, to build strong immunity power ourselves, what we have to do? We have to intake nutritional food, then regular exercises, then yoga, etc. we have to practice. Today I am here to teach you some simple yogasanas and some warming up exercises. So I welcome you all to this session. Now, because of this virtual mode, I can't get control over you, and also I can't directly supervise you. So, first of all, you listen to my instructions, then practice. So, for yoga classes or for yoga exercises, you have to select open area, place or a room. If you select a room, that room should have proper ventilation facility. So let us start some warming up exercises. Here, to minimize the duration, I will do the exercise for 1 count or 2 counts, but you do it for 4 times or 5 times, 4 to 5 times. So first of all, you have to jog on the spot just for 1 minute, just like this. So this jogging just for 1 minute. Then breathing exercises. Okay, once again I remind you, you do it for 4 times or 5 times. I will do it only for 1 or 2 counts. Understood? Now stand straight, legs little apart. Okay? Breathe in, breathe out. Now on your toes, breathe in, breathe out. Before start yogasana, you have to warm up all your body part and especially the joints, top to bottom. The main joints are neck, shoulders, elbows, wrist, waist, knees and ankles. So let us start one by one. First, neck. So, stand straight, hands on your waist, neck rotation clockwise, then anti-clockwise, then up and down, then sideways. You have to touch your earlobe to shoulder. Don't bring your shoulder up. That is wrong. So you do it for 4 or 5 times. Then up and down. Then see left and right. 4 to 5 times. Then exercise to the shoulder. Okay, 4 to 5 times, then reverse. 4 to 5 times. Then to wrist. Okay, wrist rotation. Reverse. Then you can flex your palm and extend. So do it for 4 to 5 times. Then exercise to the elbow. Hands forward. Touch your thumb to your shoulders. 4 to 5 times. Then exercise to the waist. Okay, stand straight. Okay, hand up, bend forward, up, bend backward, straight, relax. So you have to do it for 4 to 5 times. Then exercise for knees. Okay, hand on your weight. Lift your thigh parallel to the ground. Up, down. Attention. Once again, left upward. Now lift your left leg parallel to the thigh parallel to the ground. Up, down. Okay. So for every leg 4 to 5 times. Next, exercise to the ankle. This is, you are familiar with this exercise, ankle rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise, up and down, sideways. Then change the leg. Clockwise, anti-clockwise, upward and sideways. We are very familiar with breathing and breathing. So here we finished all the exercises to main joints of our body. So after finishing exercise, once again we have to do the breathing exercise. That is also 4 to 5 times. Also you can maximize. See, legs apart. Breathe in, breathe out. When you are inhaling, come on your toes. I will show you. And forward, breathe in, come on your toes, breathe out. Then after 4 counts, once again, breathe in, come on your toes, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. 4 to 5 times. Okay. Today, now here, we finished all the warming up exercises. In future classes, every 15 days I will send you one yoga class for you. In future classes, I don't introduce these exercises. So, before start yogasana, you have to practice all these exercises. Means you have to warming up yourself. Then you have to start yogasanas. Understood? So once again I don't teach. I will directly come to the asanas. Understood? Okay, today I will teach you very simple 2 exercises. That is enough for today's class. Okay, in next class I will teach you some asanas, very simple asanas and pranayama. Okay, today first exercise, this first asana is called as Virabhadrasana. Virabhadrasana. Watch carefully. then we have to practice. Understood? Now Veerabhadrasana. First stand straight. First stand straight. This is called as Samasthiti. Now legs apart about 1 meter. Okay. First right leg about 1 meter. Okay. Then right toes to your right side. It must point it towards your right side. Like this. Then hands parallel to the ground. Then bend your right leg till you get 90-degree angle. You must come to the warrior position, means archer position, like this. Now slowly see to your right. Now sit forward. Step by step, you have to come back. Samasthiti. Now to the left side. Understood? Now your left foot means toes pointing towards left side. Hands parallel to the ground. Bend your left leg till you get 90-degree angle. Then slowly left. Means tip of your left fingers. Then slowly come back step by step. I put left leg to the left side, then I came back also, keeping left leg to the right leg. Understood? So step by step you have to practice this. Don't directly come back to the Samasthiti position. Okay. I did it only for 1 minute, but we have to at least try for 1 to 2 minutes. In the beginning, you are beginners, so these are simple exercises. Even though while you are watching, you can imagine this is very easy and very simple exercise. But when we are practicing, it is not so easy. Little difficulty is there. So practice, just stay on that position for 1 or 2 minutes. If you can't, you can come back. And one more thing, this is very important. This point is very important. While practicing yogasanas and exercises, there should be synchronization of our breathing or coordination of your breathing. While you are extending your body part, means chest, you have to inhale. While you are contracting your chest, you have to exhale. For example, I am extending in this position, I am extending my chest. So you have to inhale. Now this is the contraction of my chest, means my body. So you have to exhale. This is very important. In all movements, you should follow this. For example, you are bending. That means you are contracting your body. So you have to exhale. While you are coming up, you are extension. This is the extension of your chest part. So you have to inhale. That is very important. Now today's class, last asana, that is Vajrasana. So sit. This is also called as Samasthiti. So this is a relaxation position in sitting. See, your fingers pointing backward left leg. Okay, sit straight, palms on your thighs. See the back position. Your buttocks should be on the heel, or it is for you try to sit on your sole of the foot. Understood? Sit straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. At least 2 to 3 minutes. Then slowly open your eyes. Take your left leg, means relax by keeping the left leg forward, then right leg forward, relax. Okay. Next, sit in. You have to continue for 2 to 3 minutes. So next meditation or sitting Sukhasana. This is called as Sukhasana position. Understood? After Sukhasana, otherwise you can practice Shavasana. Understood? I will teach you Shavasana in next class. You have to follow some instructions for Shavasana also. Today I will teach you sitting comfortable position. That is Sukhasana. Then just close your eyes. Just for 1 minute, breathe in, breathe out. I am practicing it just for 10 to 20 seconds. Then rub your palm till you feel the heat. Then press your facial muscle, earlobe, head, shoulder, arms and thighs. Okay? Then once again, slowly close your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Then bring your palms. Relax. Okay, slowly get up. So this relaxation means you are giving rest to your body parts after yogasana. So at least continue it for 2 to 3 minutes. Understood? Okay, I hope you understood very well. Practice without fail. Everybody, we have to practice at least daily once. Understood? So these exercises at least once, just 15 to 20 minutes or 50 to 30 minutes, you keep it for your exercise, means yoga exercise. Okay, I hope you understood, and also you got help from this session. I hope you practice it and stay healthy, wear mask compulsorily and keep distancing while you are in crowded place. Avoid going out if it is necessary, then only you go, and eat healthy food. Say goodbye to the junk food. So build up your immunity power and stay safe. Thank you, children.